You're so non-cute, Chester. Ah, that's a window dog. Oh, that's a window dog. My little boy. My little boy. I got bad quality. Because of your non-cuteness. But look at his teeth. His teeth are ugly. Cha-cha. Look at all that gunk on them. Ew! They need to be brushed. Ew! His little tail. He has like this beautiful collar. And oh yeah, I shouldn't show his collar because that's a phone number. Oh no! God darn it. Yeah. By the way, I'm in my living room. My little swan. I'm in my living room. Look at Skyland. And I got Minecraft. Those little cute pies. Little cows. Meh. Sister. Sister. There's gunky teeth. Your gunky teeth. The teeth of hell. And his breath smells terrible. Seriously, his breath smells terrible. I did it. Your breath smells terrible. Okay. Look at a beautiful view. Looks like that house will like fall over soon. Stilts. Tata your butt face. Oh, at least show YouTube your face. And they'll admire you. And they'll say, that dog is so non-cute. Like, as in non-cute, it's like a joke. It's like, he's so cute that he's non-cute. But yeah. So that's it. This was a review of my dog. I have another dog that I'll be reviewing later. And yeah. Bye. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Goodbye Kitty.